Three main reasons ba't hindi ako gumagamit ng debit card. Number one reason I don't use debit card for my purchases is not for the rewards system. Mostly kasi ng mga credit cards na ginagamit ko, they give cashback every time I spend something. For example, 5% cashback, 2%, and that slowly adds up, guys. It can even give you miles points kapag nakaipon ka. Compared sa credit card versus debit card, hindi ka nag-earn ng any rewards points with your debit card. Number 2, credit score. With debit card kasi, you don't earn any credit history. With credit card kasi, nakikita nila dun yung way kung paano ka magbayad or like how responsible you are when it comes to paying your debts. So, kumbaga, sa credit card, nagkakaroon ka ng good or bad reputation. Doon nila yan nakikita. It's like your CV when you apply for a bigger loans. And number 3 is kapag debit card is nawalan ng pera, super hirap i-dispute. Like, sarili mong pera, nakuha pa sa'yo yung sarili mong pera, super hirap pa niyang i-dispute. Unlike sa credit card, kapag ka na-victimize ka ng fraud, something like that, or hack or something, yung credit card mo, pinambili, or ginamit sa mga scam, you can just call the banks and have it cleared up or waived as long as mapatunayan na hindi talaga authorize yung transaction and hindi mo talaga kasalanan. So, that's basically why I don't use debit card as my payment. Or as much as possible, nililesen ko yung paggamit ng cash payment or yun nga, debit card, direct payment. Actually, iniiwan ko pa nga yan sa bahay. Nagdadala lang ako either isa, ganyan for emergency if alam kong kailangan ko mag-withdraw. But nonetheless, nasa bahay lang siya. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below if you want recommendations for your credit card.